Welcome, cleavage. In developmental biology, cleavage is the division of cells in the early embryo. The process follows fertilization, with the transfer being triggered by the activation of a cyclin dependent kinase complex. The zygotes of many species undergo rapid cell cycles with no significant overall growth, producing a cluster of cells the same size as the original zygote. The different cells derived from cleavage are called blastomeres and form a compact mass called the morula. Cleavage ends with the formation of the blastula. Depending mostly on the amount of yolk in the egg, the cleavage can be holoblastic, means total or entire cleavage, or meroblastic, partial cleavage. The pole of the egg with the highest concentration of yolk is referred to as the vegetal pole, while the opposite is referred to as the animal pole. It means during and as a result of cleavage, there are two poles in the ovum known as animal pole and vegetal pole. Vegetal pole is the end of the ovum, or we can say the area of the ovum with high concentration of yolk, while the animal pole is with the less concentration of yolk or with the nucleus. Cleavage differs from other forms of cell division in that it increases the number of cells and nuclear mass without increasing the cytoplasmic mass. Although cleavage is a type of cell division mitosis, in which the daughter cells are with the same number of chromosomes as compared to the mother cell. It is a type of mitosis, and it is for the enhancement of the number of cells. It means that number of cells increases as a result of cleavage. Nuclear mass also increases, but without increasing the cytoplasmic mass. This means that with each successive subdivision, there is roughly half the cytoplasm in each daughter cell than before that division. It means during this type of cell division, the amount of cytoplasm in each daughter cell is half of the mother cell, and thus the ratio of nuclear to cytoplasmic material increases. And in this way, the nuclear to cytoplasmic material ratio increases. It means in each cell, the ratio of nuclear to cytoplasm is more than its mother cell. The rapid cell cycles are facilitated by maintaining high levels of proteins that control cell cycle progression, such as the cyclins and their associated cyclin dependent kinases, CDK. The complex cyclin capital B oblique CDK1, aka MPF, maturation promoting factor, promotes entry into mitosis. The processes of karyokinesis, mitosis, and cytokinesis work together to result in cleavage. The mitotic apparatus is made up of a central spindle and polar esters made up of polymers of tubulin, protein called microtubules. So here it is to be highlighted that the process of this cell division, which is type of mitosis, we know very well that central spindle and polar esters are made up of a special kind of protein, which is tubulin, and these are called microtubules. The esters are nucleated by centrosomes, and the centrosomes are organized by centrioles. In each centrosome, we know there are two centrioles. Okay, so the esters are nucleated by centrosomes, and the centrosomes are organized by centrioles, brought into the egg by the sperm as basal bodies. And these centrioles are brought into the egg by the sperm. Earlier, we have learnt about the structure of the sperm, and we saw that there are two centrioles in the sperm, which are situated in the neck portion of the sperm, proximal centriole and distal centriole. So these are provided to the egg by the sperm. Cytokinesis is mediated by the contractile ring made up of polymers of actin protein called microfilaments. Karyokinesis and cytokinesis are independent but spatially and temporally coordinated processes. These are two sequential processes, karyokinesis and after that cytokinesis. Karyokinesis means division of nucleus and cytokinesis means division of cytoplasm. And in this type of division, we are discussing about the cleavage. These are two independent processes. While mitosis can occur in the absence of cytokinesis, cytokinesis requires the mitotic apparatus. The end of cleavage coincides with the beginning of zygotic transcription. This point is referred to as the mid-blastula transition and appears to be controlled by nuclear cytoplasmic ratio. So this is a brief introduction of cleavage, and in further lectures we shall discuss about the types of cleavage and their examples. Till then, goodbye. Thanks for watching.